Italian fashion houses such as Gucci, Moschino, and Zegna are on the cutting edge when it comes to clothing, and the country's automotive industry makes a similar focus on beauty when it comes to designing cars. There's no better example of that than the 2024 Alfa Romeo Giulia, which wears haute couture bodywork that communicates its performance potential in a single glance. A turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder pairs with an 8-speed automatic transmission to provide brisk acceleration, but the Giulia's expertly tuned chassis is what really takes center stage. Its balanced handling is a joy on a twisty road, and the Giulia's tactile steering makes its driver feel directly connected to the asphalt. All models come standard with a generous amount of convenience and tech features, but a higher level of luxury would elevate the experience. Looking for the ultimate Italian performance sedan? The Giulia Quadrifoglio model boasts a 505 horsepower twin-turbo V6, but we review that model separately. The Giulia is set to receive a mild facelift for the 2024 model year, which includes updated headlights and taillights that are intended to align the sedan's look with Alfa Romeo's new tonale SUV. A few tweaks are in store for the Giulia's cabin as well, including a new 12.3-inch digital gauge display. We'd go with the Veloce model as it gives the Giulia the premium interior environs that best match rivals such as the BMW 3 Series and the Mercedes-Benz C-Class. Not only does it come with fancier interior trim, but it also wears handsome 19-inch wheels and a panoramic sunroof. Rear-wheel drive is standard, and we'd stick with that, but all-wheel drive is available and adds $2,000 to the bottom line. Engine, transmission, and performance. The Giulia's turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder makes 280 horsepower, sounds intoxicating, and feels gutsy when driven hard. The Giulia pulls away from stoplights with zeal while singing soaring Italian arias. Our rear-wheel drive test cars 5.7 seconds 0 to 60 mph time and an all-wheel drive model's time of 5.5 seconds placed the Giulia mid-pack in its segment in our acceleration testing. The Audi A4 did it in 5.2 seconds and the four-cylinder BMW 330i managed 5.4 seconds, even though both cars have less horsepower than the Alfa. All Giulias come with a drive mode selector with 3 unique settings: dynamic, natural, and advanced efficiency, cleverly making the acronym DNA, each of which alters the car's transmission, engine management, and steering feel. Agile and lively at all times, the Giulia is a driving enthusiast sports sedan. The front tires are very responsive to driver inputs and speak clearly to the driver through the leather-wrapped steering wheel. Body roll is well controlled, and in hard corners, the Giulia remains flat and predictable. It's easy to drive quickly and aggressively, but it's equally comfortable when driven sedately. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. Among its turbocharged four-cylinder rivals, the Giulia has competitive fuel efficiency numbers from the EPA, just shy of class-leading. Rear-wheel drive models are rated at 24 miles per gallon city and 33 miles per gallon highway. All-wheel drive models see a slight deficit at 23 miles per gallon city and 31 miles per gallon highway, but that's common in this class. In our real-world highway fuel economy test, our rear-wheel drive T-test vehicle nearly delivered on its EPA number with a 32 miles per gallon result. Interior, comfort, and cargo. The interior of the Giulia features soft-touch plastics, fine leather, and either textured metallic or genuine wood trimmings, but the 3 Series and the C-Class both deliver a more luxurious vibe. It's an elegantly styled cabin, with a wide, sweeping dashboard that acts as a visor to shade the integrated infotainment screen from the sun. The seats are comfortable and well-bolstered, especially the optional sport seats. Pack your sunglasses, though. The Giulia's sun visors are laughably small and ineffective when driving head-on into the sun. The Giulia managed to fit 5 of our carry-on cases inside its trunk. With its rear seats folded, it managed 14 lagging segment liters by 1 carry-on. Infotainment and connectivity. All Giulias feature Alfa Romeo's 8.8-inch touchscreen infotainment system tucked in between the dashtop and the central climate control vents. A 12.3-inch digital gauge display is also standard and features 3 different configurations: Evolved, Relax, and Heritage, each with a distinct look. 3 USB ports, an auxiliary input jack, in-dash navigation, and Bluetooth phone and audio connectivity are all standard. The infotainment interface is relatively intuitive and offers customization options, but we found the navigation to be occasionally slow to update at crucial times during turn-by-turn directions. Also, several of the on-screen icons are small and difficult to activate while driving. In addition to touchscreen commands, users can also interact with the system using an auxiliary rotary knob controller on the center console. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration are standard, and a 14-speaker Harman Kardon audio system is optional. Stay tuned to Auto RBX for all the latest, and let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.